Hello guys, my name is Jaron and I have a mission from Starhub Hubsquad, and they just sent over a Google Mini. And before that, you know that my dad just opened my parcel without my permission, so it's actually opened. Anyway, let's see what Starhub want me to do. I have no idea what's inside. I don't know what letter is inside. Okay, dear Jaron, Paula, congrats to Hopscotch Cookie, blah 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 blah. Oh, we need to do some mission. Okay, let me see. Telling you joke, singing you a song, speaking Singlish lah. Talk to Starhub, next week, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is not just an unboxing video. This is literally trying out what is Google Home Mini. Okay, so let's do the unboxing right now. So here with me now, it's Google Home Mini. Yep, my dad just opened my parcel without my permission because he's very excited with it, because it's the first time Starhub sent something to our house. So let's open it up. As you can see, there's a lot of seal, so I think you can just pluck it out. But here you go, the full glory of the Google Home Mini. First, you can see the Google Home Mini itself. Oh, there's an orange dot behind. Sexy. Next, normal. It's just, let's get started. Of course, this is not powered by. Oh my god. The power cord itself. Pretty much very simple. All this. Okay, so I need to set up. Let's set it up. Okay, I just power up the Google Home. Oh, what a beautiful 4 dots. Oh my god. Yeah, so you can hear this sound.
Welcome to Google Home.
Welcome.
To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, let's start to download Google Home. Okay, welcome home. Get started. Select your account, your Gmail account, and okay. Looking for devices. Okay, I think it's this one. Connecting Google Home Mini. Did you hear the sound? Yes! Yes, I'm in. So, I guess this device would be out in the living room. So, family room and maybe bedroom. So you can choose the... Oh no, you only can choose one. So it's living room. Next. So they will ask you to choose your Wi-Fi network. So we do have our own Wi-Fi network. Next. Okay. Password. Connected. Okay. So set up your Google Assistant. Your speaker has the Google Assistant. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. Okay. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Setting up voice match. Get personal result with your voice. I agree. Allow. Okay, ask for my address already, huh? No, this is not my address. Spotify service don't have. Or free service available. Okay, no? Installing update about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, it's ready. It's ready. So continue.
Hi there, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Wow. Okay, that's fast. Okay. Hey Google, play some music.
It looks like you haven't chosen a default music provider. You can do that in the Google Home app. Then try asking again.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you need to have Spotify to use the music players. Let me see. What can I do with it? Okay. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Special joke just for you. What does the 328 carton shop owner say to the cook every morning? Wish you the best. Good luck, sir.
It's not very funny, eh? Hey Google, can you speak some Singlish?
Okay, can. If someone owes you money, ask them to go to Pio. Then, they can go there to pay you.
Huh? I have no idea what she's talking about. Hey Google, sing me a song.
I hope you like my little tune. And I wonder, do you like the bassoon?
Oh, okay, actually not too bad. Hey Google, what is the weather for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Woodlands, it'll be thunderstorms, with a high of 32 and a low of 26.
Hey, tomorrow thunderstorm, eh? Oh, sian. Okay. Okay, let's try to set a reminder. Hey Google, can you add an appointment for me tomorrow at 7 p.m?
What's the title of the event?
Dinner.
Sure, Dino tomorrow at 7 p.m. Do you want to save this?
Yes.
Alright, it's on your calendar.
Okay, let me check my calendar. Hey, yes, but it's not Dano, it's Dino. Hey Google, cancel my appointment tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Sorry, I can't help with that yet, but I'm always learning.
Oh, they can't cancel. So you have to manually cancel it. Hey Google, what is the first president? Who is the first president of Singapore?
On the website errorsources.nlb.gov.sg, they say, When Singapore became an independent nation on the 9th of August 1965, the seat of head of state was renamed Office of the President, and Yusof bin Ishak, Singapore's first Malayan-born Yang di-Pertuan Negara appointed since 1959, became the first President of the Republic of Singapore. To read more, look for the link in your Google Home app.
Oh, that's not bad. Anything you want to ask? Hey Google, what is the Bitcoin right now?
1 BTC is approximately 11,663 Singapore dollars and 20 cents.
My thoughts on the Google Home Mini. At first, it looks quite kind of cute, and I think it's really very useful if you are a very tech person and you are willing to upgrade your light bulbs to Philips Hues, or to link every single piece of your tech to your Wi-Fi network. I think it will be very useful for you in the future to be able to command using your voices. So yeah, I think it's one step ahead towards the future, that you are able to use your voice to control the environment of your house. And I know it's not cheap to upgrade all the light bulbs into Philips Hues, and yeah, I really want to do it also for my room, but let's see how things goes. And if you like this review, you can subscribe. I don't think I deserve a subscribe, but anyway, if you want, you can do it. So, and or a like on my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you. Bye bye.